It's the end of 2019 and it's been a pretty great year, but instead of reminiscing of the past, I want to talk to you about what I want to do with my future and what my goals are photography-wise, YouTube-wise for 2020. And if you are new around here, my name is Andreas and I make content about photography and travel. And that's basically my goal for the next year. I want to do a lot more of that. I have so many videos that I've shot and started editing from 2019. I just haven't been able to get through everything and finalize every video the way that I want it. So I am taking my time with it. I want my videos to be videos that I'm proud of, and I want them to be videos that have some sort of impact. I want them to be able to maybe teach you something or inspire you to grab your camera, grab your passport and go travel and take pictures that you will look back and be proud of and feel proud to share as well. And I just want to thank everyone that has already subscribed to this journey and who supports me and likes and comments on my videos. I really appreciate it. And I'm more motivated than ever to keep making these videos and taking pictures and traveling the world. And obviously it's quite hard to do when you have a full-time desk job like I do, but I do my best to get out there as much as I can. So here's a list of videos that I've shot and I've started editing. Hopefully we'll be posting throughout the next year. And if it's something that you might find interesting, consider subscribing and turning on those bell notifications for when they drop. And here we go. So that's what's coming in 2020. I hope you're as excited as I am. So go grab your camera, get out there and start shooting. Happy New Year and thanks for watching.